back to another video, guys. Right now we are on our way again to the gas station. So I know it's a typical way to start off the videos because we consume so much E85, but it's all good. I will see you guys at the gas station, and we'll see what we do today. Try and get this off one hand is tough. All right, here we go. Finally. And now she is happy. All right, anytime. There we go. People think that I do this so I get like every last drip in. No, it's so that it doesn't drip on my paint. I'm trying to get any of the loose drip-ins away because sometimes the pump gets a little wet filling up the wet boy. All filled up and ready to go. Let's do it. Now we get an angle out of here. It's always the fun part. We're really putting these walkie-talkies.
I'm turning right now.
Really putting these walkie-talkies to the.
I'm going north, right?
Yeah, north. So there's our C63. Oh, south, 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 south. You that's the wrong way. Make a U-turn and then there's a loop-de-loop on your right. We'll just go slow and then just catch up to us. Tell me when you make the loop-de-loop. Oh my God, see the walkie-talkies are such a huge clutch even though he went the wrong way. Oh, that thing's sick. Sick blue color. Keep rolling out. Because we're also 2 hours late, so probably have to speed it. Wow, I almost just gunned it by that moto cop. That was almost really bad. We didn't last very long at the meet, so we're just gonna head out, grab some food and early lunch, and just hang out with the boys. Sadly, no females. So usually, I always hit every tunnel, but I think I might take a light on this one, especially if there's pedestrians walking. That's just so neat. So, sorry guys, maybe next time. Oh God, everyone else just hits it. Get a little downshift under this one because there's no pedestrians. Cold started it and we are all parting ways, at least most of us. So we had some CPK here at the Stanford Mall, had a good time just chatting with the boys, kicking it, meeting some new faces, and we're just gonna go chill around. I think I'm gonna put the drone up, and yeah, then we got dinner later on tonight with some of my other buddies. So just a nice chill day filled with cars and good food. Okay, we got the E92 and the C63 parked up, but fucking look at this, guys. GT2. Oh my god. Well, another day of me doing stuff and not filming a lot, but sometimes this just happens. Like, I'm out with friends and I just am enjoying the moment more than just filming, so apologies. Gonna film a little bit on the way home. Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. This is definitely gonna be a shorter video recap of the weekend, but yeah, I also just arrived to that meet super late, so I just wasn't able to get much footage. We really just arrived and then met up with friends, and then pretty much headed out straight from there. So, I mean, I didn't really even get out of the car at that meet, so next time. Plus, we have my wett number 02 meet going on next weekend, March 6th, and it's gonna be crazy, so I hope to see you guys out there if you guys are local, or if you're not local and you're driving down from Washington, Oregon, up from SoCal, from Arizona, Nevada, wherever you're coming from. I look forward to seeing you guys there, but for now, got a couple more clips to put into this little mini vlog from today, so let's get right back to it. See, this is why I love the Bay Area. It's just so green, so quiet, it's so beautiful wherever you go. It's just something so peaceful about being up here, honestly. But I am definitely excited to get the car back down to SoCal at some point to do some cruises down south, because we are long overdue for a SoCal cruise. We've done a couple here in the Bay Area, and we'll probably do one more. Probably number 3 is going to be up here, but we'll kind of see how everything falls into place timing wise. But for the meantime, just check out just how awesome the Bay Area is. Scoping to see if there's cops. Look at how empty the freeway is. There is one car ahead. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys, I'm keeping it under control. I don't need to go fast in this car to have fun at all. 4-banger versus a V8. Oh my god, the 4-banger's about to beat him. Oh shit. No way. Bro, my buddy's little Audi S3, granted it's tuned and like crazy built and stuff, he just walked my friend in a C63. I don't know. Yeah, that was pretty crazy. Did Patrick beat you?
Yeah, up to like 80 or 70 miles an hour. Yeah, dude, he was gone.
He's got his grin on his face. I'm fucking dead. I literally cannot keep up with an automatic. There's no way. Yeah, I just got murdered. I mean, I gave up after like the 2nd or 3rd shift. Once I was like 3 or 4 car lengths back, I'm like, yeah, that's not happening. Well, at least you sound good. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Well, here's the thing, boys, all right? We know the M3 is not the fastest car, right? I wasn't expecting to beat either of them, to be honest. So that's why I'm not heartbroken, but yeah, I was a bit concerned by how bad I got roasted after I shift. I just lose so much time, and it's just not even a race at that point. But it's cool. Let's see what we can do on the